Okay, I wanted to just take a look at how risks are working in the tool. So let's just have a quick look at the risk management section. So this is the Privacy Risk Register, and we've added one risk already, and that's the fact that we're lacking a compliant cookie consent banner on our website. So I'm going to create a data processing activity, and then you will see how it's working. Let's say employment. Right. And as the employer, we are the controller. Number of data subjects is less than 10. We're a very, very small company. Category of data subject, it's employee. Type of data, this is everything, is ID, document, contact info, created by individual, about the individual, with performance reviews and data which can be linked to an individual. And this can include video, images and video data. There is sensitive data. What's the legal basis? We're using contract. What's the retention time? As stipulated by law, and also aligned to when their contract is finished, and we normally keep it for 24 months after that. Where is the personal data being stored? Yeah, well, at the moment we are looking at using, the system is not here right now, so what we will do is we will add it afterwards. Right, are there any DPI's progress? Not yet, but a DPA will be done at, okay, so there we have it, sensitive data, we are the controller, and I haven't put in an application because at the moment we don't have an application, we're only 2 employees. So we'll take that later, but let's look at the risk management. We have a new risk that's popped up. Data processing includes sensitive data, which requires extra protections. So let's see what it says here. Describe what needs to be done, conduct a DPIA, remediation status, unknown status. Yeah, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this just to be first document identified. Employment. Employment involves collection, processing of sensitive data. I would say it's not high, it's medium. Risk to the organization is medium. Status, yes. Remediation action, decided. We're going to conduct a DPIA, but also privacy follows the data minimization principle. Oh, let me spell it right. Principle. Oh, sensitive personal data is encrypted. Right, so let's have a look here. So conduct 1, conduct a DPIA, 2, 3. There we have some actions. Good, let's have a look. Looks good. Oops. Let's see what it looks like now. There, and we could add a comment there if we wanted to do that when we're making progress. Good, I would say this is not new anymore. Let's just change the status of both of these actually, shall we? Status in progress, apply. Perfect.